Test yourself 6.4. What is difference between colloid and suspension? Colloid is a solution in which the solute particles are large enough than those present in the true solution, but not large enough to be seen by naked eyes. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture of undissolved particles in a given medium. Different in a colloid, solute particles are not large enough to be seen by naked eyes. In a suspension, solute particles are big enough to be seen with naked eyes. Can colloidal be separated by filtration? If not, why? No, colloid particles cannot be separated by filtration. This is because they can pass through a filter paper. Why the colloids are quite stable? Colloids are quite stable. This is because in colloids, particle dissolvent do not settle down for a long time. Why does the colloid show Tyndall effect? A colloid shows the Tyndall effect. This is because particles of colloids are big enough to scatter the beam of light. What is Tyndall effect and on what factors it depends? The scattering of light beam by the particles of colloidal solution is called Tyndall effect. It depends upon wavelength of light and size of particles. Identify colloids or suspension. Milk soap solutions are colloid, while paints, milk, or milk of magnesia is suspension. How can you justify that milk is a colloid? This is because it appears to be homogeneous mixture, but actually it is heterogeneous mixture. Particles do not settle down for a long time. Therefore, it is quite stable. Particles are large but cannot be seen with naked eyes. Particles of colloid can pass through a filter paper and also show Tyndall effect.